Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Gillette Fusion razor blade. It's a simple process that ensures a consistently close shave. First, make sure you have a fresh Gillette Fusion blade cartridge on hand. Hold your razor handle firmly in one hand, preparing to remove the old blade. You'll find a small release button or mechanism, usually near the top of the handle, that makes this task easy. Now, let's remove the old blade. With your thumb or finger, firmly press the release button located on the back of the razor handle, just below where the blade attaches. You'll feel a slight click, and the old blade cartridge will easily detach from the handle. It's important to dispose of the used blades safely, perhaps in a blade bank or a sturdy container, to prevent any accidental cuts. With the old blade removed, it's time to attach your fresh Gillette Fusion cartridge. Carefully align the new blade cartridge with the connector on the razor handle. You'll notice a small slot on the cartridge that fits perfectly onto the handle's mechanism. Gently slide the new cartridge onto the handle until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened and ready for use. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Before you begin shaving, take a moment to double-check that your new Gillette Fusion blade is firmly attached and doesn't wobble. A secure blade ensures safety and optimal performance. For the best experience, rinse the blade under warm water just before your first stroke. You're now ready to enjoy a wonderfully smooth and comfortable shave, experiencing the full benefit of a fresh, sharp blade.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.